Breaking, Wicknell Chivayo leaks his diplomatic passport exposing ED. The 1st of September 2025, by Investigations reporter, after 7 months of bold denials, controversial businessman and convicted tenderpreneur Wicknell Chivayo has sensationally leaked his diplomatic passport, reigniting debate over his alleged links to President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Chivayo flaunted the red diplomatic book while aboard a flight between Johannesburg and Dubai, posting images directly on his Instagram account. The revelation came after months of speculation, in which President Mnangagwa had publicly dismissed suggestions that Chivayo was his emissary or front man. "Do you see it? I don't see." Mnangagwa had remarked in February 2025 when pressed by journalists at State House over claims that Chivayo was operating as his representative. The president challenged reporters to produce evidence, insisting there was no basis for the allegations. Now, with Chivayo's own post splashed before the public, questions over the businessman's access to state privileges and his close association with top leadership have intensified. When contacted through his Instagram handle at Wicknell Chivayo, Chivayo had not issued a substantive comment by the time of publishing. Meanwhile, Mnangagwa's earlier statement to journalists in February continues to circulate widely. Asked about perceptions that Chivayo was his front, the president laughed off the claims, rhetorically searching his body before declaring, "My front, do you see it? I don't see." He went on to argue that Chivayo was simply a philanthropic individual, spending his own money. "If he is stealing, it is his desire. If there's someone who hasn't been robbed, please report," Mnangagwa said then. Chivayo's self-leaked passport has now put Mnangagwa's earlier denials under fresh scrutiny, raising questions about transparency, accountability, and the blurred lines between business and state power in Zimbabwe.